key missions of Espronceda, the Institute of Arts and Culture, is promoting processes of innovation and creative thinking among the young generations. This led to a new collaboration in the context of the Immensiva project with the students of creative and tech universities such as CITEM UPC Barcelona and Karma Lab Koç University Istanbul under the mentorship of UCA. This collaboration aims to produce innovative proposals of hybrid digital realities and low-tech participatory solutions for digital inclusion, co-creation and the development of open-source tools. Some of the participants in this educational program will be connected with Ars Electronica in the Festival University section.
Hello everyone, I'm from Istanbul, Turkey. Here we are in this beautiful city of Linz, and I'd like to introduce myself quickly. I have a computer science background in both in bachelor's and master's. Now I'm a prospective PhD student at Koç University in Istanbul. And my PhD thesis topic is about expanding XR interactions through AI.
Hello everyone, I am Marc Galvez from Barcelona, and I am actually on the Festival University program from Ars Electronica. And I'm so excited to be here. First of all, I want to say that I studied video game development at the Polytechnical University of Catalonia, and right now I am working in Espronceda Institute of Art and Culture. Well, I am passionate about the creation of all kinds of applications and multimedia solutions in the programming, design and art and creative, educational and gamificated point of view. I am ready to change the world. So, Phygital Next is an innovative project that wants to promote the creative thinking among the young generation, and its key mission of Espronceda Institute and Art of Culture is this year, on the context of Immensiva, is that we want to start and create a collaboration with students very prestigious, creative and tech universities like CTM and the UPC and Barcelona and Karma Lab Koç University in Istanbul under the mentorship of UCA. This series of collaborations will produce innovative proposals for hybrid digital realities and low-tech participatory solutions, and digital inclusions like co-creation and open source tools are aims of this program. Some of the participants will be connected with Ars Electronica and the Festival University. That's where we are right now.
During the Immensiva residence program at Espronceda, me and Dilara Başköylü, we developed an AI application that uses breathing actions to be used in XR interactions. Here in this video you will be seeing more in detail.
With our project Exhale, we propose a novel interface for human-computer interactions that enables breathing actions. Our method aims to use commercial off-the-shelf microphones to detect inhalation and exhalation actions through real-time sound processing and artificial intelligence. We wish to map the detected expressions to different parameters in virtual environments and XR for meditation, relieving stress, relaxing, and mindfulness. Furthermore, we believe our method can become a multi-user experience to form a strong sense of harmony. Exhale enables anyone can see their breath as a visual, colorful form which shapeshifts with the intensity and duration of their breath. This shapeshifting process is not just about changing the scale of the form in a robotic way, but more than that, the whole form dances like a fabric which moves with the wind organically and unexpectedly. So it is completely aesthetically satisfying, and also it has a surprising and playful part because it gives a spontaneous feeling to the user. Exhale has no beginning nor an end, no rules nor obligations, but just aims to give an experimental experience with breath. Exhale not forces one to breathe correctly or meditatively in a serious way, but it just lets people play with their breath like kids who play with soap bubble blowing toy, or like a fire performer who blows the fire in different ways. This playful part aims to create a sense of fun while relaxing and meditating.
So the next project of Phygital Next is called AI Generative Worlds. So using creative AI plus a device for capturing brain simultaneously determine the dimensions of a world, the contextual narrative also, and the behavior patterns of the inhabitants and the forms of the elements that make up the world, like rocks, house, the trees, and etc. So the inhabitants and the cultures and the mind story, all of this creative process determine them from the mood of the player. So that's the project. It's something like a generator of procedural worlds using your mind or your feelings, but from the current feelings of the player. And for example, the player is stressed, so your world will contain elements such as wars, mountains with pointed rocks, aggressive civilizations, heavy storms, and maybe a beautiful narrative, but with a plot twist in which everything is cruel and stressful. So, as a player, your duty will be to solve all of that chaos, and out of the world, the narrative will take you down a linear path in which you have to prove that you are the hero one. So this project is changing your mind as well as changing the game. And you will finish with a beautiful ending for sure. Imagine creating the sound that represents DNA and a synthesizer to generate your own unique melody. The project consists of obtaining the DNA through a quick test using saliva and along with biological tools to be able to use the different patterns contained within the structure of the DNA to develop a song. So, the song will be sent by email to your mobile phone maybe, or in this way each person will get a rhythm with its own identity that identifies it, and maybe we find in the musical patterns the characteristics of the altitude and ways of being of a person. So this experimental will take place inside a futuristic immersive room decorated with a cyberpunk atmosphere in which the sound will act dynamically and transform the spaces depending on the rhythm generated. Right now I am in the Ars Electronica Festival University as one of the participants, and we are a total of 100 persons from 40 different countries. I am on the drones and swarm behavior group, and we are behind mind. So, and all of this is awesome. I don't have words to describe this situation. Ars Electronica and Johannes Kepler University are giving us everything a person needs to live. So learn and co-create with different people and have fun. That I think is the most important. So they describe themselves as an ecosystem of art, technology and society, and the program is full funded by the Austrian Federal Ministry. Thank you very much and see you on LINT.